Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll share with you how to transfer the database from the old iPad into the new iPad, including the license, database, and all the settings. Thank you. Okay, so now you got two iPad, which is the old iPad and the new iPad. So we go to the old iPad first. So make sure both iPads connect to the internet. Then click on here and you click log out. Make sure you have the license password first, or you can get it from your dealer. So I click log out license and click yes. Okay, then I log in a demo license. Demo at Genius POS. Okay, after that, click login. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, log into the admin account. Now it's the demo license already. And then in your new iPad, log in the license just now. And so in my new iPad, I log into my license. So once I log in already, there's my own license in my new iPad. Okay, so go to my old iPad. So I go to the setting. Okay, then go to the terminal and make sure it's turned on. Okay, as a main post. So the number is 192.168.1.105. So go to the new iPad. Go to the setting, go to the terminal, okay, turn it on and select as terminal. So just now you see there's a number, right? 192.168.1.105. So I copy and paste into here. Okay, then I click pair. So you click yes. So at the same time, in the old iPad, it will show this and you click yes, pair the iPad. So automatically, it will download all the database, the stock file setting, everything, and synchronization, and then click OK. So, and then you turn it off. So in your new iPad, it will show all the menu already. Go to your setting and connect to your Wi-Fi. That's all for today. Thank you. 我是阿Seng，找POS System，找阿Seng。